Hello viewers, welcome to new video. In this video, I will show how to fix Instagram account private to public problem. Let, let's see how to solve. Go to Instagram app, tap on profile icon, tap on three dot menu, tap on account privacy and tap on this icon. Switch to public. You can change this setting with a parent. When try to public, let's see. This problem you can fix two way. First method, add parent and click on teen safety setting. Click on parent or guardian. Click on add, tap on continue. Add a parent. Go back setting. Tap on account center. Click on personal details. Click on date of birth. Tap on edit. Change your date of birth. Tap on set. Tap on save. Now tap on this icon. Now click on switch to public. Now public account done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe.